Okay, today we got us a computer.
So what?
Computer.
Oh,
It's fairly nice.
it's looking good.
Yeah, looking good. But it's not doing what we want it to, so we're going to use some tools here we got to fix it. Just a second. Okay, so we're all set up.
It looks adorable. I'll hold that for you.
It does look nice. Some nice equipment. But it doesn't work right. So Auto gonna fix it.
Watch that.
You ready?
Yep.
Go for it.
Yep.
Still recording?
Yep.
Oh no.
Misfire.